I've got enough tools to carry around all day. So when I can swap out something big and bulky for something small and powerful, I jump at the chance. The Kimball Midwest Quantum Pro rechargeable LED pen light is the only flashlight I need. It's small at only 6 inches long, less than 1 inch wide, and only 3 ounces. That small size is combined with a powerful 150 lumens of light. The light can be focused using the lens bezel. Slide backward for wide illumination or forward for distant viewing. It's built to last with rugged aircraft aluminum construction. The light has a pocket clip as well as a magnetic base for attaching to ferrous surfaces. The on-off button glows green but switches to red when the light needs to be recharged. The light charges from a common mini USB cable, and the charging port under the lens bezel glows green to let you know when you have a full charge. And the intelligent circuit design prevents battery damage from overcharging or over-discharging your battery. The battery will give you a full 5 hours of illumination on low, or 2.5 hours on high. Small, powerful, and rugged, the Kimball Midwest Quantum Pro rechargeable LED pen light. To learn more about our lighting products, contact your local Kimball Midwest representative.